Wala naman pagbabago eh.
Back to the ball game.
Walang pagbabago sila
Isa
pa rin.
sa mga idol ko
Sila pa rin.
small basketball na Mr. Bernabe.
Ha? Kayo na lang.
Opt up by Tumarco Tolentino. Tupinina. Too strong.
Nadali.
And
Nadali.
number 3. Palagitan. Villamor at the Cleveland Area shot. Tumarco Tolentino. Pitch by pass to number 1. Number 1. Yes, for number 1. Idol ko rin yan. Miranda. Paso. Palibutan. So now for 34. Almost losing the ball. Back to number 24. Again. Pass to number 25. Tolentino. Ayan po. Pitch ball pass. To number 49. Pass to stop. Rebound by number 21.
Ay, hindi ko nilalive eh. Wala mo.
Palibutan again. Pass. Pisto, Ibaba Barbera. Barbera, investing the ball. To Bernabe! Ayan. Losing the ball. Outside. Paligutan. Number 21, the leader of the team. To number 24, at the pinpoint area. To number 7, Pilipino, shot. Barbera, yan po, nagmamadali. Barbera, lays up, pass, good, and there's a foul. There's a foul. Out number 31, Paligutan. Kinulang sa lundag. For the bonus shot. Shot! Hindi pwede yun. Outside kagad yun. Remaining time is 8 minutes. 8 minutes for this quarter. Paligutan. Setting the play. Number senior. Tolentino ulit. Airball. To Pineda. Ayan po. May kasis Pineda. Binigay sa Roman. Batay tayo dyan. Ayan na po. Turner 24. Crossover move. To Barbera. Pass to Roman. Barbera lays up. Using the left hand. Ang galing ng Barbera. 6-0. 6-0 na po tayo. Number 34, Pipangela. Kaboom! 6-2. Wow, 2 lang. 2 points lang. Stepping on the line. Pineda. Baseline shot. Favorite. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Taparan mo. Oh. Foul. Foul on number 2. 24. Time out. Amihan.
Tayo yung ano, puro po.
Back to the ball game. Medyo nawang-hold pumunta yung ating fans ngayon. Kaya nanalo kami. 1-1. Thank you. Pero sana may invite, hindi nag-invite. And back to the ball game. And sport back terrible, Barbera. Bernabe pala yun. Tumoy Pineda, Boy. Jumper na yun. Rebound by Barbera. Barbera, perimeter shot. Kaboom! By Barbera. Ayun na, paligutan. Tugasyo, fake. Back to paligutan. Fake again. Back to Gasyo again. Gasyo! First goal! Binigay sa walang kakampi. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Ball game. In the ball game. Bernabe. Mineta, back to Bernabe. Bernabe dancing. Small back to the ball. No goal this time. Nako. Sayang. Palibutan. Palibutan again. Oh, patay ang butiki. Oh, natutulog na butiki. Namatay. 5 minutes and 43 seconds.
Tutulog eh, inisturbo.
Pineda, hit. To Barbera. Barbera, give to number 1. Kap, wala. Give by number 31. To Valentino. No good. Stop natin lang. Change player na po tayo. Change player. Change player po tayo, guys. Okay. Bakit ba nga naman ang daming ano? Mga pare-pare, paano? Madami eh. Ayun na, Mr. Basilan is in the house. Number 6, Tablante. To number 24. 24, perimeter shot, favorite, no good. Rebound by number 68. Tigas mo. Ayun na, star player ng Rami. To number 20, ng Rami. To number 1, for 3. Shot. Rebound by number. Hindi ko alam. 13. To Shelton. No good. Ocampo. To Victoria. Almost losing the ball. Last touch. It's a simple. Ocampo. To number 20. Bruno. Good. Bruno fires good. What a Bruno. What a play. Tablante. Almost losing the ball. To Basilan. Ayan na po. The star player. No good. Short this time. Sino? The Star Margarine, sabi ni Commissioner. Nangarami. Starting the play. Oh, ano yun? There's a miscommunication again ng amihan. Bad error. To 24. Reverse layup. Oops. It's a same ball. Yeah, same ball. Sheldon, baseline. To Tablante at the 3-point yellow pass. Air ball. Nothing but nothing. Ayan, tinamaan si Dibdib, si Tablante. Nangarami. Under 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Nangarami for 3. Yes! Nangarami, 3 points. Oh, napakasablado mo. Off losing the ball, Gary Basilan. Tablante, to number 2. Check the ball, Basilan again. Perimeter shot. Shot. Rebound by number 13. 13. Nanarari for 3 again. Yes! Woo! Nakatayo naman. Nanarari. Selton.
Napila yan, ganyan na ganyan yun.
Basilan again. Basilan, baseline. Block. And it's a safe ball. It's a change paper. Change paper. Labang po ang niyan. Basilan. Reverse. No good. Rebound by Cantanilla. 2 Ocampo. Number 1. Back. Bunat. No good. Rebound by Sendo. Deep to Tablante. To Basilan. Basilan. No good again. Nako, may hangover daw. Sabi ni Nisis. May hangover. Up. Susi na po ang mga. Rebound by Sendo. Dapat kasi nag-invite para kasama ako dyan. No invite. Jumper, no good. Yeah. Tablante, take. To Sheldon. Pass, good. It's a deadlock. All deadlock po tayo. All 10. Seconds to go. 50 seconds. Almost loose. Ayan, send the ball. Ang galing. Nasend pa yun. Nakarami na din. Oh, this time. Rebound to number 14. To Sendon. Sendon to number 24. To Tablante at the 3-point area. No good. Oh, may tama sa pakiliran. Last shot. 20 seconds. 18. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. Campanilla. Short. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All 10. All 10 po tayo, all 10.
Coach Jan.
Red, 2 shots tayo. No uniform.
Pwede yung t-shirt.
1 shot lang? O 1 shot lang daw? Ano ba yan? Tagay? Tagay yan, tagay. 1 shot. Yo, disqualified yan eh.
Pwede yung t-shirt kasi
Pwede ko kasi naman po na walang uniform pa si Patin, wala pang uniform.
Nagagdagan na naman tayo ng ano. Oh, what a shot by Mr. Dasso. It's a change free war. 1 point lead by Damian. There's an opening for Takaro. Dumela. Dalawang nagsama ang ano, yan na. Kalimitan. Oh! Nagkakapinin na ng dalawa. Para iskalbo. Yan na. Number 1. To Pineda. To Barbera. To Jumper. Fake. Jumper. Too strong. Paligutan. Pasti Leroman. Barbera pass. No good. Di ba nabila mo? To Tolentino. To paligutan. Pantangin to Tolentino for 3. Tolentino. 3-4. Pitch by pass to Barbera. By to Pineda, fake. Federation, shot. To By. Back to Barbera. Barbera, no good again. And there's a foul. Foul on number 28, Buna. 2 shots by Mr. Barbera. No good by Babeera. Parang Babeera. Babeera? Bobby Earl. Second try, too strong. Rebound by Marco Tolentino. Marco Tolentino baseline shot. Not. Almost lose the ball. And a line ball. It's okay. Naunahan siya. Tolentino. Nowhere to start. Bernard. Titaso almost goes. It's a white ball. Dasyo, Tumulo, every traffic, top by Tolentino. Miranda, pass for again. Second follow-up, good by Miranda. Number 1. Naka 4 points na po yan, si Miranda. Dasyo for 3, short. And loose ball foul of Pineda. First personal foul by Pineda. Dasyo. Back to Dasyo. Oh, palitan. By crossover move. To Barbera. Nilapit. Tap by Dasyo. Still by to Pineda. Using the board. Yes. By Pineda. It's a bad pass by the green team. 16-18 by Pineda. No good. Rebound by again. In and out. What in and out by the Yellen. Ang galing ni Miranda. Easy layup. Oh! Same ball. It's a same ball. Sayang. Pang 6 point muna sana yan. Idol.
Substitution sub.
Sub po tayo. Sub. Change player.
Next. Next.
Nanarami. To Seldon. Almost topic. To number 24. Reverse layup. Block by the board. Sayang. It's okay. Save ng mga chikiting. Chikiting. Mga chika birds. Dasyo. 268. Fires the good. To 24. Eh na, idol mo, Bernabe. Magbigay ka naman ng para sa akin. Oh. Bernabe. Eh na. Nahiya. Back to 24. Baseline move. To Sheldon. Fires. Good. Kaya pala ang play nila. Under. And give and go. All 18. It's a deadlock. All 18. Yes! By number 68. Number 24, final shot. To Sandon. Basila natin yung Pagkera. Pass! Kaboom! Finally! Nakasot na, natanggal na hangover.
Bata pa.
Foul on number 22.
Batang-bata, kumigigig pa!
13 foul, 13 foul.
13 foul. Saldo, almost traffic. 2 on yan. 14, Tesoro, Mogo. Follow by Tesoro, but there's a foul. 69. Foul on number 68.
14 foul.
14 foul.
Shoot mo, Papa!
Go, Daddy. Take a drive.
Galing
Good
mo!
again.
Mamaya ka!
Manarami, pagkakita, tulisman mo ang So, pinagkakita ka sa ilo. Ito sila. Oh, mistake. Again, still again. Number 24, best lane. Nawala.
Binaw!
Basilan again, short. Wow, the basket by number 13.
Yabang mo! Yabang mo! Babaero ka naman! Babaero!
For the first drive, Edwin is shot, no good. Again, for the
Yeah!
Snake. Fires, no good.
Si Aro, parang wala nang lakas eh. Parang machine ah.
Seconds to go. Basilan. Tesoro. Fires, no good. And there's a foul. Fire of Umbrella. Foul on number 8. 68. 68, yes, 68. Tesoro for the first try. Yes. Seconds to go. 39 seconds. 39 seconds. Sana all may pandesal. Nanarami. 13. Tesoro. Even by Tesoro. Yes. Easy shot for the Guzman. Nadas siya pala. Basilan. Uy, pinigay sa kalaban. May hangover na pa. Bob, tumasolid. Pass, Tesoro. Ikan na Jacobi. Wow, yan niya. Idol, pass. Shot. Rebound by Tesoro. Follow up shot over again. And there's a foul. Foul. Left.
O talaga ang babaero ko ah.
Foul number 20. Bola, pilay bola.
Gusto mo pa mag-challenge ah?
Dalawang sansan.
Ay, wala! Tama na to!
Alak yan.
Gusto pa mag-rewind? Mamaya i-rewind ko rito yung ano eh.
Oh my God. Sayang. Second try.
Yo!
Yes. Huwag mo nga itago ang time mo. Kaya na. Meron kami dito.
Third quarter.
Yeah, this is the third quarter. Entering for the third quarter, and the score is 25-24 in favor of partner the ball game.
Hindi pa naman.
Ball
Siya,
to Pineda. Jumper. Yes. What a knockout move by Mr. Pineda. Knockout move yun. De Guzman, third ball, is losing the ball. Again, still by Pineda. Pineda to Miranda. Back to Pineda. Goodbye. Yes. What a play. Ayan ang mga assist ng mga Pineda. Back to 3-point lead. Oh! Tolentino, Pipo. Ang galing. Dead lang agad. Miranda. Pineda. Baseline. Pinedaan. Fires. Double. Technical foul by Pineda. For the technical shot, yes. Technical shot is good by Paligutan. One of the leader of this Amihan. Or star player ng Amihan. Paligutan. Oh, still. By Pineda. Pineda like that. Yes. Kapaligutan. Oh, ilang mo still. Physical fight to Pineda like that. Yes. What a play. By Mr. Pineda. Time out. Time out rep ha. Double Paligutan. Double. Tolentino. To Pineda. To Pineda rin. Back to Barbera. Barbera. Pineda. Yes. Yes. Time out. Amihan. Back to 5-point lead.
Kailangan pala, ginagalit eh. Kailangan ginagalit eh, para sumot eh. Sorry. Kailangan ginagalit eh, para sumot.
Sorry is good, but we need cash. Magkalaban na tayo next week. Paligutan, one of the star player. Deep to Filipino, to Paligutan for three. Oh, too strong. To die. Japo, yes. What a play, yan. Gumagangat na pa ang amang, 7-point lead. Paligutan. Oh, bad pass. Outside. Barbera. What's that? Come on, still. Oh, almost. Foul. By number 4, Tolentino. Tinamaan sa ulian. Nag-usap pa rin yung ano. Tinamaan daw sa buhok. Buhok sa iyo. Paligutan, first line, go! 36-30. Good again! Confident shot by Mr. Paligutan. Pineda. Pineda to buy. Malas may palibutan. To Tolentino. Oops! To Pagpera. Oh, use the ball. Give to Garoka. Oh my goodness. Save.